Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to SeminarsOnStress.com. Today's video blog is on stress management. The question is, what about negative people? I try to stay positive. I'm kind of a glass half full kind of guy. But my coworkers, oh, I tell you, they get so negative. It affects my mood and causes me stress. Danny Downers and negative Nellies are everywhere in this place. They're tiring. Negative people can be physically, psychologically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually draining. Negative people can be one of life's biggest stressors. These are the type of negative people that if you give them the book, The Power of Positive Thinking, they would take a look at it, read the title, and whip it back at you and say, what good would that do? Both personally and professionally, be careful how much time and effort you invest in a relationship with a negative person. Identify boundaries that will minimize the damage. Boundaries may include limits on actions, physical space, conversational topics, expression of certain emotions, and how the topics are going to be handled. At work, a negative attitude that starts with just one employee can easily infect a department, even the entire organization, if not reined in quickly. This is what scholars have referred to as emotional contagion. Emotional contagion is a process by which emotions are transferred from one person to another. It's like catching a virus. Negativity creates barriers to positive change, blocks productivity, and kills morale. If you have to interact with a negative person, minimize your exposure and have a survival kit available to pick yourself back up emotionally and mentally. I keep a survival kit handy. I carry along a favorite photo of myself when I was young and believed I was invincible. Also a list of things I love to do and a list of things I'm thankful for. Just reviewing these items lifts my spirits. Hey, I'd like to see that photo back when you thought you were invincible. I like the idea of lifting my spirits. Seems a lot better than sipping the spirits, if you know what I mean. I will keep my distance as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video blog on stress management. And the question was, what about negative people? They can drag you down and cause you stress. If you must interact with them, try to sidestep the negativity and be prepared to pick yourself back up quickly. If you and your coworkers are suffering from significant stress, contact me at kit@SeminarsOnStress.com and I will deliver a presentation packed with dozens of stress management strategies. Check back to SeminarsOnStress.com regularly for a new video blog.